Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano piece which is called Wet Hands from Minecraft. So I've done another Minecraft video, I've also done Sweden, which is another really lovely piano based piece, so I've linked that tutorial below. I have decided to use a sheet music with this today, but I'll explain it as best as I can in case you don't read sheet music, so you can still hopefully follow along. So I'll just pull up each line one by one, we'll go over it hands separately, I'll play each line hands together. So this one's in the key of A major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A major. So we have 3 sharps, so C sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Here is middle C for reference if you locate that pitch. So here is the first line. So we've got these 2 shapes, and this is what the left hand is going to play. Start on this A. Then we have C sharp, A, over to B, C sharp, B, under to A, and E. We'll do that shape again. Using the sustain pedal, and then here we have D, next shape, F sharp, C sharp, E, C sharp, A. I'll do that again. You go back to the A position again. Refresh the pedal here. So that's the first 4 bars there. So obviously you need to really get used to this movement. Try to copy the fingers that I use as well. And then the right hand plays that pattern again, but with this G sharp in the right hand, you play the A and G sharp together. And then with this A, you're going to play this A with it in the right hand. I'll do that again. So that's the first line, so on to the next line. We've got this D shape again, so the right hand plays an F sharp with that, with the D at the same time. And the right hand plays E, F sharp, G with this A again, like we had before. And then with this A, you're going to play this B. And then with this E, you're going to play this C sharp. And then we have the D shape again. And you're going to play F sharps together. So that takes us to the end of bar 8, 3rd bar there. I'll just do all of that again, just from when the right hand comes in at the end of the first line. A's together, D and F sharp, E, F sharp, A and G sharp, F sharps together. So carrying on then from the C sharp, E by itself, and then I'll just teach this next couple of bars. So with the right hand goes G, G natural, F sharp, D, A, B. Again. And the left hand with that is playing a G major 7 shape. So we've got G, B, D, F sharp, A, and back down, F sharp, D, B, G, B, D, F sharp, A. This makes a G major 9 chord. bit fits together like this, so G's at the same time, F sharps together, A and D together, D and A together, B's together. I'll do that again. F sharps. The next line we do the same on the left hand again. That's exactly the same, but in the right hand, so in bar 11, start of that line, we have G, F sharp, D, A, B. So it's very similar, it's just the way it fits together is ever so slightly different. The rhythm is slightly different. So we've got G's together, D and F sharp, A and D, D and A, B's. Single A, and then we're back into this A shape like we had at the beginning, and you hold this E down. Instead of going to the D shape chord, we have A, C sharp, E, A, over to C sharp, E, A, C sharp. So it's an A major triad. So I'll do that again. And those little curved lines with the dots means that you just pause on those. They're called fermatas, and you just hold those notes for slightly longer before we go into the next bit. So I'm just going to play what we've done so far from the very beginning. Okay, so carrying on to the next part then. So I have a new shape. We'll do the left hand first. B, D, F sharp, A, then over to C sharp. Then you do that again. So we're going from the end of this line into the beginning of the next line. In the right hand, we've got a second inversion of B minor chords, so F sharp, B and D. And then we play single C sharp, A. And then if you can stretch octaves, we have E, F sharp. But if you can't, just choose whether you want to play the highest one or the lowest one. Just play singular notes instead. So again, B minor chord, and then we have a D. So I'll just put this bit together. B comes in with the chord, A and C sharp together, C sharp and A together, E, F sharp, left hand goes back down to B, and you play D's together. So I'll do that again. Carrying on, so this bar we have in the left hand G, B, in the right hand we have B, C sharp, D and G together, D and C sharp together, G and D together, press A, F sharp, and then we have like an A5 in the left hand, which is A and E, with C sharp in the right hand. And that takes you to the middle of bar 18. So carrying on, the right hand comes down, plays B, A, and then we have this new like shape based around E major in the left hand. So you're going to play E and B together, and you're just going to hold this B down. And the left hand plays G sharp, B, E, over to G sharp, B, G sharp, and you almost do that again. E, G sharp, B, E, over to G sharp, E, A. So do that again. And then we've got this G major 9 chord shape again in the left hand, so back to the G, B, D, F sharp, A. You just do that once, that's at the end of this line, very last bar of this line. And the right hand is going to play singular notes, so G, F sharp, E, D, E, D, E, F sharp. And hands together, the notes just come in together. Like that. And now on to the next line. We go back to this A shape, but the left hand's going A, C sharp, and then a B, A, E. Do that again. And the right hand, the F sharp carries on into the next bar. So the only notes we need in this bar is an E and then an A. So together, from the previous bar, we'll go from there. So the and E together, C sharp and A together, and then we go back to this E major shape. So you're just going to ascend it, so E, G sharp, B, E, it's like an arpeggio, and the right hand is going to play also E major, but starting from G sharp, E, B, over to G sharp, and then E. And again, they fit together at the same time in unison, so over, over. And the left hand does the same thing again, but the right hand goes B, G sharp, E, B, over to G sharp. They fit together like this, same time, and they meet in the middle at that G sharp. You keep that G sharp held down with your right hand, and the left hand is going to play E, G sharp, B, E, B. This is where it fades out. You should do that a few times, or a couple of times. If you want to make it sound finished, you could end on the E. So I'm going to do the last half of it now. So because I played you the first half, I'm going to play the last half of it now. So from the B minor part, after we had those pause signs. So So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.